Hi, I'm Ken from Joon.co.ke, and on today's video, we'll be discussing the different types of promo codes that you can use to get trading bonuses in Quotex. Some of these promo codes guarantee up to 80% trading bonuses, and you can get them on the description of this video. Other than using the Quotex promo codes to increase your trading capital, you can also use them to trade, and you can also withdraw these bonuses if you want. Now, I guess you didn't know that. Watch this video to the end to learn how you can do this and many other things related to trading bonuses in Quotex. Also, make sure you like this video, comment and share so that you can help us reach more people who are looking for trading bonuses but don't know how to get or use them. And if you don't have a trading account, there is a link on the description of this video. Go ahead and click on it to create your trading account. Some of the benefits that you'll get by creating an account with that link are: you will get up to 50% trading bonus using our promo code, and you will also get our signals generator tool for free. If you didn't watch our previous video and you'd like to learn how this tool works, go ahead and click this link pinned right here to watch how you can use this signals tool to make profits in Quotex. Now that we have the registration part and the subscription part out of the way, let's jump to Quotex and see these promo codes that we are talking about. So in order to get to these promo codes, you'll need to log into your trading account that you've just created and click on markets. Okay, so once you click on markets, you'll open this tab here and you will see different types of promo codes that are available in Quotex at the moment. For example, you can activate risk-free bonuses by clicking on this tab here, enter promo code and enter something like risk. So that will be your promo code that you'll be using anytime you want to activate risk-free trades. Then the next thing that you need to do is to enter your trading ID here and click on yes, activate. This is an example of a risk-free trade that I currently have on my account. It is $3. So anytime I want to cancel a trade of up to $3, I can just click on that and cancel that trade. A good example is if I'd traded with $3 and lost, I'd just click on this and cancel that trade to get my money back. Then we have the cashback bonus, which guarantees that you get a percentage of the money you have lost back anytime you use it. You can also activate this by clicking on enter promo code and enter a promo code that you prefer. As an example, if I add a cashback bonus code, then I'll just enter it here. Let's say it's cashback. I'd just enter cashback and click on yes, activate. So if this promo code was active, then I'd get back a percentage of the money that I've lost in Quotex by just activating that bonus. Then we have the deposit bonus, which is very popular, and the deposit bonus gives you up to 80% trading bonuses. If you have registered with the link on the description of my video, then you will get 50% bonus by using this promo code Ken Omolo. Okay, some of the promo codes that were active here earlier on were June 50. We also had deposit 20 for 25% bonuses, and sometimes you get up to 80 or 100% bonuses by just looking at this section and finding the bonuses that are active. A good place to find 80% bonuses and above is on the Telegram channel for Quotex. You can find that here. Click on join us and find that channel. Click on join so that anytime they post bonuses that are 80% or above, you can get them and use them to trade. Then we have the percentage of turnover that is returned to you anytime you enter this promo code. So if you have a promo code for percentage of turnover, then it means that you can get a percentage of the total volume that you've traded back with a simple promo code. Okay, then we have the balance bonus, which is a promo code that lets you withdraw any of these bonuses to your trading account so that you can withdraw them to your bank or to your e-wallets. By using this promo code, you can just click on this button here and enter the promo code to withdraw your bonus even without trading. So if you have any such kind of bonus, just enter it here so that you can withdraw your 50%, your 80% or your 100% bonus that you just got in Quotex. Then we have the cancel X points. This bonus allows you to cancel trades that are losing so that you don't have to lose your trades anymore. So these bonuses are very essential, and you can use them today or any other day to cancel your trades that are losing, to get your money back, or to get bonuses which you can use as trading capital to increase your position in the market. If you are watching us for the first time, my name is Ken Omolo, and thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like it, comment and share so that people looking for different ways to get bonuses can also learn how these bonuses work in Quotex. If you created your account with the link on the description of this video, go ahead and use this promo code here, Ken Omolo, to get up to 50% bonus on your deposit in Quotex. Until next time, bye bye. My name is Ken Omolo.